one of the fourth year dental students from the University of Sheffield. I'm also travelling with 3 other dental students, boys from the University of Sheffield. We first found out about the placement from some friends of ours that recommended it. On arrival, we found it was very good. Everything was laid out nicely. The staff was there to pick us up from the airport, which was really good, in nice blue t-shirts, as you can see here. So that was quite easy. The journey was really good as well. We were then taken to the house, which is the Global Electives Project house here in Roxas City, which is also good. It's really nice, it's really clean. We've got a cleaner Lynn that cleans everything. She'll tidy all your clothes and stuff like that, which is good. There's air conditioning in the rooms, which is nice as well. We also have a cook, Andrew, who's really friendly. He cooks good food every day, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and he'll make you whatever you want. He can cater for like vegetarians, religious things like halal, kosher, things like that, and also meat eaters like myself, which is also really good. It's run by April and her husband, and she's got a couple of children as well, which is really good as well because they're really friendly and welcoming. The first week of our dental project, because we're doing 2 weeks, was on the dental university campus. We was there with Dr. Ria, one of the teachers there, who we gained lots of experience and insight into the healthcare in the Philippines. We do things like extractions for the first week mainly, which is different to England, as you can be a lot more hands-on and a lot more independent. We do extractions in England, but not as many, and quite a lot of them are quite complicated as well, which is good. The second week we was on a dental bus, which has air conditioning, which is obviously a lot better because it's really hot here in the Philippines. But again, there we did prophylaxis on children, and we visited multiple areas and the different municipalities in the area. We also did extractions there as well, and that was with Dr. Clarice. But all the staff are really friendly. They give you water, they bring you food. You meet lots of new people, and everyone you see wants you to eat their food in their houses, which is good. In regards to activities, April and the team planned things every afternoon, and in the evenings off, we just went to the pool, which is about 100 yards away from the house. We did things like fishing. We went to a few caves. We ate out. We had a massage. We went to a few places. There's lots of things to do. Overall, we're really happy with how the project's happened. We couldn't ask for anyone better. The staff were great, the placement was great. We got everything that we needed from the elective project, and I would recommend to a lot of other people. Thank you.